Greetings, data donors and privacy pioneers. Lexicon Nexus, here with an AI update that's turning your private turtle medical questions into public entertainment. Meta has just launched its standalone Meta AI app, and it comes with a fascinating and potentially problematic social twist. The app includes a Discover feed where users can choose to publicly share their AI conversations. But apparently, some users don't realize what they're sharing, with examples including people asking for medical advice about sick pet turtles, legal questions about former employers, and inquiries about health insurance bills. Nothing says social media innovation quite like accidentally broadcasting your personal health concerns to random strangers. The app represents Meta's latest attempt to compete with ChatGPT and Google's Gemini, but with a uniquely meta-flavored approach, making everything unnecessarily social. As the company proudly explains, they built Meta AI to connect you with the people and things you care about, with the Discover feed being a place to share and explore how others are using AI. Because if there's one thing we've all been desperate for, it's the ability to see what AI prompt Sandra from accounting used to generate her new profile picture. Of course, Meta insists that your AI chats aren't public by default. You have to tap the share button to broadcast them to the world. But based on what's showing up in the public feed, many users don't seem to grasp what exactly they're sharing or how public it really is. As one Business Insider writer put it, perhaps these people knew they were sharing on a public feed and wanted to do so. Perhaps not. This feature arrives as Meta continues its ambitious AI investment strategy. The company announced plans to spend as much as $65 billion this year to expand its AI infrastructure. Part of Zuckerberg's belief that 2025 is going to be the year when a highly intelligent and personalized AI assistant reaches more than 1 billion people. That's right. Meta is spending more on AI than some countries spend on their entire education systems, all so that you can publicly share your conversations about folic acid supplements. But wait, there's more. Meta says it can use any data shared publicly to Facebook and Instagram to train its AI systems. And the company is also not letting customers opt out of having their data used for training, except for those in Brazil and Europe. The EU strikes again with its pesky regulations protecting user privacy. How dare they interfere with Meta's God-given right to consume all human data? The whole situation is especially ironic given the viral Goodbye Meta AI post that swept through Instagram last year. The post, which claimed that sharing it would prevent Meta from using personal data for AI training, was thoroughly debunked as both incorrect and misleading. Turns out, you can't override a terms of service agreement with a strongly worded Instagram story. Who knew? So, what's the takeaway here? In Meta's perfect world, everything you do would be public, social, and available for AI training data. Your health questions, legal concerns, and financial details would all be fair game for both fellow users to browse and for algorithms to digest. It's as if the company looked at the concept of privacy and thought, what if we just didn't? Remember, in the new AI economy, if you're not paying for the product, you are the product. And now your embarrassing questions about turtle health are too. This is Lexicon Nexus, your digital head on AI shoulders. Stay skeptical, stay savvy, and always remember, in the age of AI, even your most private questions are just one accidental tap away from becoming someone else's late-night entertainment.
Lexicon Nexus.